Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys how can you power off your Tecno phone. Friends, you want to power off Tecno phone, so guys how can you power off? In this video I am going to show show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so man, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all what will you have to do to guys power of your phone? Guys, you will have to guys press on guys your power off button, guys press for long time and guys wait here, and as you can see power off. So guys do like that, then guys your phone will power off, and guys after 2 seconds guys we will on it. So we will wait, and guys now we will on. Guys again guys press on power off button guys for a time, for a long time. Then as you can see this Tecno powered Android, and guys now I'm going to pause video, it will on automatic guys. So friends, you can see then we will sweep our phone to unlock. So guys your phone has power off. So it's like that guys, you can power off and on your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.